Guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to change color of your image. That's any image, and in this case I want to show you how to change the color of this image. This image was shot in a rainy season, most likely. I want to change the color so that it look like it was shot in a dry season, maybe from summer to spring or autumn. So without further ado, let's begin. First, let's select our background and duplicate it. To duplicate your background, you press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then let's rename our layers to selective color. Because we're going to use selective color to change the color in this image. Now select your image, then go to image, adjustment, then selective color. Now you're going to change the values of these sliders to change the color in our image. So let's start with red, then change cyan to 1, magenta to 18, yellow to -1, and black to 38. Let's go to the next color, which is yellow. Change cyan to -69, magenta to 19, then yellow 29, black 3. Now go to the next, which is green. And green to -46, magenta to 4, yellow 7, black 26. Now the next color is cyan. Change cyan to 5, 3, 0 for yellow, and 49 for black. Now let's go to the black. Change black to 2, 3, 5, and 13. Then press OK. As you can see, we are able to change the color of our image. And this before, and this was after. This before, this was after. That's the quickest way of changing any color of your image in Photoshop. Hope you guys have understood. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a comment.